In this video, I'm going to break down how the Helium 10 profit calculator actually works and how to calculate your true Amazon margins after fees, coupons, and ads. A lot of sellers think they're profitable because they look at revenue, but once you factor in Amazon fees, PPC spend, promotions, and refunds, the real numbers tell a very different story. This is exactly why profit calculators matter, because guesswork is expensive in e-commerce. I'm Erin from Ecom Mastery. Let's get into it. So what is Helium 10? Helium 10 is an all-in-one software platform built specifically for Amazon sellers. It's designed to help you make decisions with data instead of guesswork at every stage of selling, from finding product ideas to optimizing listings to tracking performance once you're live. Inside Helium 10, you'll find tools for product research, keyword research, listing optimization, analytics, and profit tracking. Each tool solves a very specific problem sellers run into, but they all work together as part of one system. Instead of jumping between spreadsheets, calculators, and random browser tabs, Helium 10 centralizes everything in one place. What makes Helium 10 especially powerful is that it doesn't just live inside of a dashboard you check once in a while. A lot of its most valuable data shows up inside of Amazon itself. When you're browsing product listings, Helium 10 can overlay estimates for sales, revenue, competition, and profitability right on the page you're looking at. And that's where the Chrome extension becomes essential. Tools like X-Ray, revenue estimates, and the profit calculator rely on the extension to pull live data from Amazon listings. Without it, you're stuck guessing based on surface level numbers like price and review count. With it, you can start seeing what a product might actually earn after fees and costs are factored in. And this is exactly why the profit calculator matters. On the surface, a product might look profitable, but once you account for Amazon fees, fulfillment costs, coupons, and advertising, the real margin can be very different. The profit calculator is designed to surface that truth, and it works best when it's connected to real listing data through the Chrome extension. So before we talk about calculating profit, we need to start with the foundation. So let's walk through how to get the Helium 10 Chrome extension installed so you can actually unlock these tools right away. To install the Helium 10 Chrome extension, start by opening a new tab in Google Chrome and searching for Helium 10 Chrome extension. Now this will take you directly to the official Chrome web store listing for Helium 10. On this page, you'll see an overview of what the extension does and which tools it unlocks, including things like X-Ray, revenue estimates, and the profit calculator. These tools only work once the extension is installed, so the step is essential before moving forward. If you don't have the extension yet, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click that, confirm the installation, and within a few seconds, the extension will be added to your browser. If you already have it installed, you'll see the Remove from Chrome button instead. So this just means you're already set. Once installed, the Helium 10 icon will appear in your Chrome extensions bar. From that point, Helium 10 is active anytime you're browsing Amazon product pages. You don't need to log in every time or open a separate dashboard. The data shows up right where you're already working. This is what makes the extension so powerful. Instead of guessing whether a product is profitable, you can start pulling real estimates directly from Amazon listings. Before we go into the profit calculator, once the Helium 10 Chrome extension is installed, using it is very straightforward. So we're going to start by going to any product page on Amazon, ideally something in a niche you're researching or considering selling in. So when the product page loads, we want to click the Helium 10 icon in your Chrome extension bar. As soon as you click it, Helium 10 overlays data directly on top of Amazon. So this is where the real value shows up. On this screen, you'll see Helium 10's X-Ray product research panel, which gives you a snapshot of how a product and the entire page one niche is actually performing. At the top, you'll see search volume, which tells you how many people are actively searching for this keyword every month. And this matters because profit doesn't exist without demand. Right below that, you'll see total revenue and average revenue. This is Helium 10 estimating how much money sellers on this page are making, not based on guesses, but on sales velocity, pricing, and historical data. This helps you understand whether the niche has real money flowing through it or if it just looks popular on the surface. You'll also see average BSR, which gives you context on sales consistency. Lower BSR generally means stronger, more reliable sales. High BSR across the board can be a red flag, even if one product looks strong. Next is average views, which is critical when thinking about competition. High revenue with low to moderate reviews can indicate great opportunity. High revenue paired with thousands of reviews often means the niche is harder to break into. Scrolling down, you'll see a full breakdown of individual listings on the page, including price, estimated sales revenue, FBA fees, and seller count. This is where you start connecting the dots between revenue and cost. So this screen sets up the most important question the video title is built around: how much money is actually left after Amazon fees, coupons, and ads, because revenue alone doesn't equal profit. And that's where the profit calculator comes in later, letting you take this data and model what a real margin would look like once all the expenses are counted for. Now let's actually use this in context so you can see why the Chrome extension matters. So I'm gonna pull up a real Amazon product, in this case, these Crocs, and I have the Helium 10 Chrome extension turned on. Once you're on any Amazon product page, all you need to do is click on the Helium 10 extension icon in your browser, and immediately you'll see Helium 10 overlay data directly on top of the listing. So when I click show full details, this expands the product summary and gives you a high-level view of what's actually happening behind the scenes. Here you can see estimated 30-day revenue, unit sales, rating trends, and listing health. This alone already tells you whether a product is worth digging into or not. Next, I'm going to click into net margin, and this is where the real power of Helium 10 comes in. When you click on net margin, Helium 10 opens the profitability calculator, which breaks down what you actually keep after Amazon fees, not just what the product sells for. Inside the calculator, you'll see the product price, dimensions, and weight, which affects FBA fees, fulfillment costs, storage fees, referral fees, manufacturing, and freight costs. So this is where a lot of beginners get confused, because selling a product for $30 doesn't mean that you're making $30. Helium 10 shows you what happens after Amazon takes their cut. You can adjust manufacturing costs, freight, and even fulfillment assumptions to model different scenarios. If you're running ads, discounts, or coupons, this is where you mentally factor those in and see how your margin changes. At the bottom, Helium 10 calculates your net profit per unit, your actual profit margin, and your ROI per unit. This is exactly why the Chrome extension matters. You're not guessing, you're not using back of the napkin math, you are seeing those realistic numbers based on Amazon's fee structure. So instead of asking, does this product sell, you're asking a more important question: does this product still make sense after fees, fulfillment, and costs? And that's how you use the Helium 10 extension and profit calculator together to evaluate real margin, not just revenue. How to think about true margin. At this point, you've seen why revenue alone doesn't tell the full story. A product can look amazing on the surface, strong sales, high demand, solid pricing, and still be a losing product once real costs are factored in. This is where a lot of sellers get burned, especially early on. The Helium 10 profit calculator is powerful because it forces you to slow down and look at the actual unit economics. It breaks profit down to the per unit level so you can see what you're keeping after Amazon takes their share. But it's important to understand what this tool is and what it isn't. By default, Helium 10 calculates profit using estimated Amazon fees, fulfillment costs, and listing data pulled directly from the product page. That gives you a solid baseline. From there, you layer in the rest. Your PPC spend, coupon discounts, promotions, and any extra costs are things you control, and those need to be added manually so your margin reflects reality. That's not a limitation, that's intentional because ads change, coupons change, your strategy evolves. The calculator gives you the framework, you supply the inputs that make it accurate for your business. This is why profit calculations matter so much in e-commerce. Most pricing mistakes don't come from bad products, they come from incomplete math. If you price a product without understanding fees, fulfillment, and ad costs, you're setting yourself up to work harder just to break even. Or worse, scale something that quietly loses money. Using the profit calculator before you launch or before you double down on ads helps you answer the right questions early. Does this product still make sense after fees? How much room do I actually have for PPC? What happens to my margin if I run a coupon? Where is my break-even point? These are the questions that separate sellers who grow sustainably from sellers who chase revenue and stall out later. In practice, this tool works best as a decision-making filter. You're not using it to get a perfect number down to the cent. You're using it to understand ranges, trade-offs, and risk. If the numbers barely work before ads, they probably won't work with ads. If a product has healthy margin headroom, you have flexibility to test ads, run promotions, and scale without panic. specific. That's what true margin really means, not just what a product sells for, but how much control you have over your business once Amazon takes its cut. That's how the Helium 10 profit calculator works and how to use it to calculate true Amazon margins after fees, ads, and promotions. We walked through what Helium 10 is, how the Chrome extension works, how to pull real listing data, and how to use the profit calculator to model realistic profit instead of guessing. If you want to try this yourself, make sure to have the Helium 10 Chrome extension installed and start testing products the same way we did here. I'm Erin from Ecom Mastery. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.